Hello everyone, welcome back to Stick to the Budget. We are going to be doing cash stuffing for sinking funds for paycheck number 2 of April. For paycheck number 2 of April. I was going to say some other stuff, but it doesn't matter. It's paycheck number 2 of April. I get paid on the 14th and the 28th of the month. So we will be cash stuffing $154 for sinking funds and savings challenges today. So let's go ahead and count that out. Move my binder out of the way. I'm also going to be doing a sinking funds update. So I have my workbook, Elevated Life Co workbook duo off to the side here, where I'll be writing down the totals as we go through each envelope. So what did I say? $154. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They gave me some raggedy bills, you guys, again. What is up with that? Like, what is this? I don't think it's blood. I don't know what it is, but not super happy about that, but that's okay. It's all right. All right, we're gonna go ahead. Let me set this up. Move my little candle maybe over here somewhere. All right, let's set this up. Alrighty, so let us get started. Oh, you know what, real quick, you guys, I do want to show you that I got some placeholders. I won't be using them today. Hopefully I'll be able to use them in a future envelope, like condensing video, bill swap, bill exchange video. But I got these off of Etsy, these $5,000 ones. I will put the link to this shop below because I cannot think I didn't think to check, and I just can't think offhand what the person's shop name was, but they were on sale and I love them very much. I can't wait to have the opportunity to, you know, use them in my envelopes. So first off is going to be Vacay. Vacay is getting $25. So I'm gonna write that down. What is this? Oh, I think last time I put 30 in, but I'm so used to putting in 25 that I wrote 25. So my adjustment is the extra $5 I put in. But today's the 20. Oh, Jesus. 28th. So we should have 250. So I kind of want to do a bill swap, but I might wait. We'll see. Got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 45, and 50. 250. I don't know where we're going to go on vacation. Like, the mister doesn't have vacation time until June. We were supposed to go to the Dominican Republic in May, but that got canceled for us, mostly because he doesn't have the PTO to do it, or the vacation time to do it, because he will just make a year at his job in June. So yeah, so he doesn't have it yet. All right, birthday is going to get $10. So that should have 80, or excuse me, it should have 90 after this. Excuse me, I got too many pens floating around. Let's see if that's right. So we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And if you're not familiar with my channel, the birthday envelope is for household birthdays. So myself, my partner, our 2 children, we have an envelope for gifts for other people's birthdays and celebrations and things of that nature. So date night. Sorry, I'm trying to remember to write off to the side. Date night is getting $20, so I believe it should have 100. We have not had a chance to go on a date night. That's okay. When we do, we'll have some money. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. I think I mentioned in a video a while back that my partner and I like to go to like fancy places for our date nights. Oh, that's self-care. But we just don't have time to. Like, he's off Monday, Tuesday. I'm off Wednesday, Thursday. I work day shift. He works nights. We mostly just kind of see each other in passing. Self-care is getting nothing. I use all the money in here to do my facial, and I don't have any plans for anything going forward. And since we're a little bit short on this, not short on this paycheck, but we don't have as much to work with because of what I had to pay off for my credit cards, we're going to skip that. Family Fun is going to get $10. We should have 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 20. I don't know, my camera stopped recording for a minute there. I'm not really sure why, but hopefully I can get through the rest of this without an issue. All right, so Family Fun has 120. Oh, date night has 100. Okay. Car maintenance has 0 and we'll be getting $10. So I did get an oil change for the mister's car. So we used all of that money. We'll have to build that up. These beautiful envelopes are from Budget with Ira. He has a YouTube channel and an Etsy shop. And then these beautiful envelopes are from All Things Planned. Car insurance is getting nothing. Subscriptions. So I have 2 different subscriptions that I would like to save for. So what I'm saving for right now is my Pogo subscription and ABC Mouse subscription for my children. So together they are $100. So that's what we're going to be saving the $5 for. And then I also want to save for my shaker and spoon subscription. And what that is that it's a cocktail, like a craft cocktail making subscription. So they send you a box of ingredients where you can make 12 craft cocktails. You just have to buy the liquor for it. And they recently had to increase their prices, just like everything else is going up. Their stuff is going up too. But you can save money if you can pay for 3 months in advance or 6 months in advance. So I think I'm going to end up pausing my subscription for now because it's just gotten a little bit cost prohibitive. I still love the idea of the box, but in order to keep the pricing more in line with what I've been paying over the last year that I've had them, I think I'm going to save for a multi-month subscription. All right, Christmas, which is my 52-week challenge. So I'm doing 2 weeks because I'm trying to make sure that I stay ahead of, sorry for all the noise, you guys. I was trying to grab this. So my 52-week challenge. So I will be stuffing for $11 or week 11. And I believe, where is it? In week 29. So 29 and 11 is a total of $40. So let me just mark that off. That I'm stuffing that and that. All right, so 29, so 25, these crap dollars, 1, 2, 3, $4, so 29, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 11, which will be 10 and 11, so let's find their way all up in here. I'm really bothered by that $1 bill with the smudge on the bottom of it, but that's okay. What's wrong, Santana? What? Girl, can you go wipe your face? Go in the bathroom, wash your hands, and wipe your face, please. She just got done eating yogurt and has yogurt all over her face. All right, so 52 week. Plus 40, so we should have 350. All right, let's see what we get. So 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 50, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. All right, 350. Yay! I'm very pleased with that. Very, very pleased that I've saved so much so far. Alrighty. And then young Asher is going to get $10, which should put him at $190. I'll fill out the tracker after, like I usually do. Honestly, once this side is probably filled up, I think I'm going to switch to like my little paper printable trackers that I have, because it just seems silly to have just these two with this. This is what came with like the binder that I bought off of Amazon. So I don't need them anymore, I don't think. So we should have 190. So 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So 190 for Ash. He should be waking up from his nap, so you might hear him crying sometime soon. Because I opened up his door and turned off his fan and pulled his blanket off of him, so he'll probably come out in a state of confusion sometime soon. All right, Santana is also getting $10. So she actually had a book fair recently, and so we used a little bit of money for that, $17 for that. So with this $10, she should have 173. So let's see, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, wait, yeah, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so 173. For Santana. And then this extra $1, if you weren't around for my last cash stuffing, is actually from the Tooth Fairy. So I'm just kind of safekeeping that for her. All right, and then Gifts is getting $10. And, you know, Mother's Day is coming up, so this little $30 that we have here is probably not enough to get gifts for, you know, my mom and my mother-in-law, but, you know, we'll see. We'll try to make something shake for Mother's Day. Oh, put this in here too. All right, and then last clothing is not getting anything. Last but not least is miscellaneous. And so miscellaneous, I'm actually doing these mini savings challenges from Manicured Money. I mentioned it in my budget with me. And so she had these mini savings challenges as a free printable in one of her last videos and one of her most recent, Santana, in one of her most recent videos. And so I hurried up and snatched these up before she puts them on her Etsy shop, which she does have. I do wish that she had put like a watermark or something like that, just to make sure that everybody knows who made these challenges. So I printed them for myself, and then I laminated them at work. Don't tell nobody. So we will be, oh, I don't have my marker over here. That might have to be something I do off of camera too, because I'm tired of getting up. So I will be doing the May Mini Challenge. All of my individual Santana. All of my individual flowers are going to be $1 for a total of $24, and then I'll put them in the miscellaneous. I've not yet decided what I'm actually going to do with the money, but yeah, that's what that is. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I imagine I'll move it into like another envelope. I'm just not for sure for what just yet, but I did want to incorporate a tiny mini savings challenge, right? So that is that. All right, so let me close this guy up, and then we will do our sinking funds update totals and our debt update totals. So be right back. All right, so let's add this up. I've already, you know, as I was going along, I was filling in. So we'll get the ending totals. I started the month of April with $1,223. So let's see how much I was able to save. I don't expect it to be much more than that because, you know, obviously I cleared out my self-care envelope and I cleared out my car maintenance envelope. But that's okay. Some of them are a little bit longer term. Some of these are just meant to kind of be revolving. 30 plus 4. Is this with $13.22? So it's like what, $99? So $13.22 minus what I started with. Oh, I didn't mean to clear it out. Minus 1, 2, 2, 3. $99. And that's okay, guys. Remember, I'm currently going through the NACA program, and so the majority of my savings from month to month is actually in my bank account. So the fact that I can even save this much over the month, Santana, please, is amazing. Like, I'm super proud of myself that I'm able to, you know, build up this small savings outside of the several $100s that I have to save in order to buy a home. So I'm very pleased with this. All right, and then real quick, we'll do a debt update. So we started off the month with $23,543.95. And let's see. So my capital, my partner's Capital One is at 0 right now as of the last statement. His auto loan, which we're actually in the middle of refinancing, like literally applied today to refinance it in order to get a lower interest rate because his credit wasn't as good when he first got the car, but it's significantly improved. And we were able to get into the VIP club known as Navy Federal Credit Union. So hoping that we can get a better rate going through them. My personal loan, I haven't done any additional payments to. And I just discovered that the per diem on this is like $2 a day. So I think I made note of this amount yesterday, but now it's like 71.96 today, but whatever. So obviously I've made a little bit of progress there. My Amex is at 0. So I did make that payment, that additional payment. And I think the statement came out with like a $20 balance, but I've paid that off since then. So that's at 0. And then my Best Buy credit card is at 0. So this we didn't start the month off with these totals. I think these are for, well, maybe it is. I don't know. I don't remember, but it looks like we've made some significant progress. So if we can get to work on his car loan, like that'll be killer. Like that's what I really, really, really want to do. All right. So that's plus my loan. And these are the only two debts we have. We really aren't that much in debt. And thank goodness for that. 22,000. And honestly, thank goodness for NACA, because if it wasn't for them, I don't, and the kind of like tedious at times, but how strict they are with how you manage your money, like I could not have gotten here without them. So, all right. So 23,543.95 minus 22,043.35 makes a difference of, total monthly debt payoff, so $1,560. I think we take this divided by 23,543.95 for a 6.3% payoff. So actually it would be 6.4 if we round it up, but that's fine. Not a huge deal. So a 6% payoff. Okay, so yay. Hopefully I'll be able to tell you guys if we were able to get the Navy Federal loan for this auto loan, because the goal is to get a lower payment, and then from there we can put that additional like 100 or 150 bucks to principal and then get his loan like paid down, because that's our largest debt. My personal loan I think is at like a 10% rate. It's an unsecured loan, so the rate to me is not very bad, and I was able to consolidate my credit cards into it, and they all had higher rates with the exception of one. So that's that. All right, you guys, that is all. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the underneath the bar in the comment section, and I look forward to engaging with you guys. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.